Hey everyone, myself Kulaksha Khan, a BMS medical student, and it's day 3 of me posting for 7 days straight challenge. I'm gonna tell you all about all the author books which you can refer for your first professional year being an English language student, which I myself has referred it, and it's according to NCISM. Books language are really easy to understand, which really helped me a lot to clear my UT basically. So here I am suggesting you all that books. So in the first professional year there are total 5 subjects. So for the first subject, which is Sanskrit, this book is the best. It's in Hindi language, but you can refer it being an English language student. Okay, so for the second subject, which is Padarth Vigyan, I have actually referred 2 books. First one is this, second one is this. This one is in Hindi language and this one is in English language. Both books are the best. So for the third subject, which is Sahita Adhyan, it is divided into 2 parts. First is Ashtang Hriday and second is Charak Sahita. It's really gonna be useful for your second year as well. So for the fourth subject, which is Rachna Sharir, which is basically your anatomy, this book is the best. It's my personal favorite. I still love it and I have still not given that book to anyone. Okay, so all the content of all the topics in this book mentioned are very much sufficient for you to clear your UT. And if you want a very depth knowledge of any particular topic, you can refer this BDC, which is the Bible of Human Anatomy. Okay, so now for the fifth subject, which is Kriya Sharir, you can refer this book. Done for today. This is all the author books you can refer being an English language student in your BMS first professional year.